Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. We're going to do a quick video here on changing the battery on your 4-button remote. For this task here, you will need a flat tip screwdriver. If your key ring is attached to this, no worries. You can use that for your advantage. On the back of the remote, you'll notice you have a little tab. That is to release your emergency key. Go ahead and pull your emergency key blade out and set it to the side. If your key ring's attached, all the better. Now, if you look in the remote, you'll have this little indentation here, a little indentation here. This is where a smaller flat tip comes into play. Go ahead and put your flat tip screwdriver in there. Go ahead and twist it. Come over to the other and go and twist here, because all you want to do is unsnap on the other side. Notice we have a little gap. If you've got a fingernail, put your fingernail in there. If not, you can use a credit card, something plastic. I do not like using the flat tip because it will mar up the remote, and with this being a new remote or a customer's remote, we don't want to do that. Make it look professional. Go ahead, split the two halves open. Notice the battery's right here. You have a little indentation on the top of it. That's where you want to put your little flat tip under there. And when you put it under there, just lift up with the corner and the battery comes out. This little metal tab, make sure it stays in. Sometimes they do slide around. This calls for a CR2032 battery. We're using new remotes for these demos, so we'll turn around and replace the same battery with what we took out. Put it in, and when you put it in, you noticed I pushed against there first. That's the pressure that keeps the battery in. Take the two halves, we're going to put them together and gently squeeze. And you notice the remote's together now. Go and put your emergency key back in. And there you go. You've just changed your battery. Thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith.